Man to Man by Bob Hicok. 13 killed by a man in Germany, and then himself. 10 killed by a man in Alabama, and then himself. I have killed no one. I am behind. Are they out there, and we just don't hear them? Stories of men who go crazy and mow the lawns of strangers. What was he like? The interviewer would ask a neighbor. Kind of quiet, she would say. Kept to himself. A nice man, really. And then he was just like, mowing and mowing and mowing and mowing. There were grass clippings everywhere. It was horrible. A man kills his girlfriend, and then himself. A man dresses as Santa, kills his family, and then himself. On that day, I stood under a tree. My standing under the tree moved a crow from that tree to a tree across the road. When that crow moved, a second crow and a third crow followed. And I thought, I've moved the crows. And thought, when I followed, the crows have moved me. I've done this a year now, gone from tree to tree, by crow, shooting no one as I go. A man paints his wife green, and then himself. A man scolds the tulips and apologizes to the roses. A man gathers all the men in the world and asks why rock, paper, scissors won't do. Why rock, paper, scissors, fire won't do. Why rock, paper, scissors, fire, atom bomb won't do. The sound of all men shrugging sounds like the sound of all crows taking off from all trees. Like the day flying away from itself. A man kills the day, and then himself. A man kills the sun, and then himself. I am telling you, Alpha Centauri, Mantis Star, run.